Okay, step 4, pass props to my homepage. In this step, we are going to learn how to pass down props to my homepage widget. So please copy this code in Open Editor. So paste here. So this is how to pass down title props to my homepage widget. But currently it shows error because the named parameter title isn't defined. Try correcting the name to an existing named parameter's name or define named parameter with the name title. So to solve this error, we need to define this final string title in class my homepage. So here, please paste this. So this is my homepage constructor, which takes this title when constructing and define final string type title here. So final is once assigned a value, our final values cannot be changed. So that's why final. Okay, so we can successfully pass some props from my app class to my homepage. So let's consume this pass down props. To do this, please copy this line. Currently title is title text hello world, but we can use pass down title to app bar title. So you can use this title by using widget.title. So let's check output. Okay, Flutter them homepage. It works correctly. Okay, so this is the finish of this step. So please focus on the flow now. But if you want to dive into this code, check the below links. For example, what's the keys in stateless widget class. So these keys. And you can skip to declare keys, but this is an issue to recommend you to always declare keys when you construct class. And this is a Stack Overflow question about this super. So if you want to dive into this code, please check these links.